Hi friends, myself Arnab Kundu. You are watching my channel Technical Arcoin. Today's video I will discuss conditional statement in QBasic programming language. Okay, conditional statement is a statement which actually used to check a condition, and in condition we can use relational operator and also we can use the logical operator. Okay, so go to the computer screen through QBasic IDE. I will discuss conditional statement step by step. So let's dive in. So friends, I'm just within the QBasic IDE and here I will discuss today conditional statement in QBasic programming language. Okay, actually conditional statement is a statement where we check conditions, and in this condition part we can use relational operator and also the logical operators, right? And in QBasic there are three types of conditional statements. Number one is if then end if statement. Number two, if then else end if statement. And number three, if then else if then else end if statement, right? So I will provide each and every type of example of conditional statement in QBasic programs. So at first we start with the first type, if then end if statement. Okay, suppose at first write CLS, then just write let a equal to 10 and then suppose write let b equal to 20, and then we check if a greater than b. So here we using the relational operator, right? And then just write then, and then we print okay, suppose, okay, and then just end if. So just write end if and then end the program. Okay, and after we save the file, so go to the file, save, suppose write e1.bash. We already know for QBasic program the file extension should be .bash and press enter. So the file name is just provide in middle e1.bash. Now we run the program, so just press F5. So it doesn't print anything. Why? Because the condition is false. A greater than b is false because a is 10, b is 20, so it's false. So that's why it doesn't print this okay. So it doesn't print anything. Now we change the particular relational operator as a less than. So now it true, the condition is true. So save as. So 10 less than 20 is true. Now again run it. Yes, it print okay. So this is the first type of conditional statement where we are using if, then and end if. And within this condition we can put either a relational operator, or we can also with relational operator we can use the logical operator and or not. Okay, now go for the second one, if then else end if statement. Okay, so for that case what happened, we just change it. After that we just write here else. Suppose we write here also we change something, we write here print a, it print the a value, a variable value, and else part print the b variable value. Okay, and then end if in that way. So if we save it, so go to file and save it, and now if we run it, so it print 10. Why? Because the condition is true, so that's why a is printing. Now again if we put suppose the false part, just put greater than. So 10 greater than 20 is false, so save it. Now press F5, so it print 20 because now it go through this else part, that's why it's print b, right? Now go for the third example and also the third type where we are using if, then, else if, then, else, end if, right? So that's why we take the another variable, suppose write let c equal to 30, and now we put here else if and check another condition, suppose b greater than c, and then just using here, and after we end with the else part. and here we want to print, suppose print C. Okay, and the same program, just change with the different type of that, save it, press F5 to execute. 30, why? A greater than B means 10 greater than 20, false. Now go to this condition, else if 20 greater than 30, again it false. Now go to the else part, that's why it's print C, so C is 30, that's why the output is 30, right? I hope you have understood three types of conditional statements which are present within this QBasic programming language, and I give some examples how we can write this conditional statement in three different types. If you like this video, please like it, share it more and more. If you have some doubts for today's video is concerned, just write in the comment section. I will try to solve this problem. Those who are still not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Keep watching Technical Arquen for more upcoming videos. So today up to this. Thank you and bye bye.